Hello friends, it's Sherry. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Thrifty Thursday. This is an open collab hosted by me, and everyone's welcome to participate. And I will tell you about that as we go along with the what I want to show you today. So I think I got some thrifty deals here, so let me show you what I have to show you this week. So I'm kind of thinking I want to do some shaker cards. So first of all, I looked around my craft room and to see what I had to use in shaker cards. And I have some like seed beads, and I have what I thought I could use is some and recycle and repurpose is some diamond painting kits. A company sent me some to demonstrate, and I did, and I think they're really cool for their intended purpose, but I don't see myself really getting into that. I love it, but I don't want to do it right now. It's just not going to be my thing right now. So instead of these sitting around, they're like little gems, and I thought would be fun to try to use and repurpose them for shaker cards. So I've divided them up. They came in little cellophane bags. If you ever have seen those kits, you know. But I opened them all up and put them in this little divider here. Then I also have some sequins in here. And these bigger ones right here, these are actually from the diamond painting kit too. And they really look like little gems. And these stars, these came in the diamond painting kit. So if you have a diamond painting kit and you're kind of like, maybe not intending to do it anymore, you just have extra or whatever, maybe you want to use them for some shaker cards. So after I got that organized on my diamond painting materials, I did put some in here too. It's a little plastic clear container that I had extra from something, and these colors were all separated, but let me open the little box here and show you all the colors that I put all of these together. So there are a lot of pretty colors in there that I thought would, actually look pretty in a shaker card all together. So I just put them all together in this little container. So that was organized. And I have the seed beads, but that's pretty much kind of all I had. I might have a couple of sequins, but not enough to really make shaker cards. So I have some in the past, and I kind of used them all up. So I looked at Walmart first of all and got 3 things, and they actually had some of these things were on clearance. So I don't know if they are not going to carry them anymore or what, but I was there on a day when, lucky enough to be there on a day when some of these things were on clearance. So I got this little package here. They have these little containers in them. So these already come in little containers. And the ones that already have their own little container, I thought that would be cool because when you empty them, you could actually refill them if you want, because I'm sure this little lid pops off. I'm not going to do it right now because I'm afraid this would go all over. But I guess when you use it too, this little lid, you know what, I think it screws off. It looks like it screws off. Yeah, so it just unwinds, and you have a little lid there, and then when you use it up, I would think if you wanted to, you could refill it. So a lot of pretty colors came in there, and I thought this was a good way for me to maybe start and see what I like, you know what I mean? Like I said, I've made some with mostly sequins, and so it was a good way for me to start and see what other kinds of glitter and things like that that I like. And this is called Shimmer Glitter. Here's the label if you want to look for this at Walmart and see if it's on clearance at your Walmart. Shimmer Glitter. So it's not the fine glitter that you see. I mean, it might be fine, but it's not like a sprinkle type, maybe if you might want to describe it as salt and pepper, that type of consistency. Glitter. This is looks like fibers, and I'll show you. I don't know if you can actually see them in the camera, but I will show you this little container. Maybe you can see the little fibers in there. But I think they're going to be really fun and cool to use. So the other things I got at Walmart were, I already took 2, I think I already took 2 packages out of here and put them in that container I showed you with my diamond painting little beads. So there, I took the red and green out of here already. But this came with quite a lot of little sequins. I thought another way for me to try these out and see how I like them. And so there's a lot of colors, and this is called Rainbow Sequins. And I did see another package of, or 1 or 2 other packages of colors at Walmart. So, I wanted to try these colors first. I thought these would be good for fall, these colors, and Halloween and things like that. And there was a red and green here, like a, Christmas red and a Christmas green in here too. So that's why I got this one. So yeah, I can't wait to try these out. And then these right here I got, which I already took some of the little containers out to show you. And I think these are also very cool. I really love these. And so this is called glitter shakers. And so it's still not that fine glitter, I don't think, but I think it is glitter. Let me see. So I think you can refill it because I see it looks like it unscrews, like the whole top will come off. But it also, let me see if I can get this one. Oh, it pops off like that. And then you have a little shaker here, and it's got little holes in it. I don't know. I had never seen these before. So I think this is pretty cool way to add. This is kind of like, it's not fine glitter. I'm going to describe it as kind of like chunky glitter. I don't know. But anyway, I think that it's cool because it's a good way, maybe if you're worried about getting glitter everywhere, this might be a good way to control it. And I'll let you know if it goes everywhere, or I'll do it on camera and show you. Because I think maybe this would be a good way. Oh, I don't think that's supposed to pop off. The little thing must be broken. Let me try another one. I think it's supposed to stay on there. Let's try this one. Yeah, see, it's supposed to stay on there. That little thing must have been broken, the little hinge on that one. But see, the little lids is supposed to stay on there. So anyway, I think you could refill these too. And lots of colors. All of these colors came with this one package. All of these colors. All of these colors. There's like a little mixed one here. It looks like kind of patriotic, and it's got the red in there. Or here's red for Christmas and green for Christmas. So, and then there's some black and purple, which I thought maybe if I wanted to make something Halloween or even fall with the gold and things like that, that would be fun. So that's my Walmart thrifty goodies there. And like I said, some of those were on clearance. And I have what I'm going to do, I went for a hunt in my house and found all of these little containers that I can put, like the ones that didn't come in their own little containers like these. Maybe I can put in some of these, or I might have to look for another little one like this. Is probably better for these type of things. I do have some empty, let me see, actually I do have some empty ones in here, empty spaces. So let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have enough for 4 more colors. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need 4 more. So yeah, I always see these type of things at thrift stores though. So I'm going to definitely have to look for another one probably. And I already have a little drawer that was empty here as I'm reorganizing. I have an empty drawer where I'm going to put all this. It's going to all fit in one drawer. And then I have all these little containers too. So I will show you. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 containers here. So at Dollar Tree, I also looked, and they have some more there in these were $1.25 each. But there are some in the that new $3 to $5 aisle they have. There's some, I think they are $3. And there's some different glittery type sequins in that aisle now, which I really already looked at and was very tempted to get. I was like, I think this is enough to get me started, and then I'll see, if I need more, but I want to use some of this first before I go, overboard or something. So these looked really interesting. This is a really super light. I really would like to open up one of these. So let me get one of my little containers here. It's called Tube Confetti, if you've never seen this. I've never seen it before. So, and you can see the colors I got. I don't know, I don't remember if they had other colors or not, but this is red, green, and blue, which of course would be great for Christmas. So they have these little cellophane bags. I guess you could leave them in here if you can't, if they go, seal back closed. Now this one's stapled on here, so I don't know how good it's going to be once I get it off the staple here. I'll see if they're all stapled on. It's stapled and glued. The rest of these are just glued on. So, but it's a very thin cellophane, that kind of rips really easy. But this is so light, so I really am kind of anxious to see what these are made of. I think I'm going to try to dump them in here. And I do want clear containers because I have some other containers that I almost picked up, but they weren't clear. So I wanted to be able to see what was inside without having to guess, like open every one and figure out what was inside. So let's open this one up in case you haven't seen these before either, and we will see what they are like. So if you wanted to join in the Thrifty Thursday, just post your video of your thrifty finds, no matter where you got them, on a Thursday, and just link my channel if you wouldn't mind, and in your description box, and use the hashtag Thrifty Thursday in your title, and let me know, and I will add you to my participant list, which is very long, but it is in a Google Doc in my my description box. So I'm going to dump these in here. Very pretty. I think they might actually fit in here. They feel like so light. Like I'm gonna pick one up in just a second. Okay, I think I got them all. Yep, and they're all gonna fit in here. Yeah, they are so light. Okay, so let's see. They're kind of like, they're not. I'm gonna say they're not hard like a bead. Okay, you can squish them down. So it's almost like green, kind of a. I don't think it's like foil. It's more like a ribbon, more like a shiny green ribbon, all in little circles, like beads. But it's not. It's. I mean, you can maybe use them like beads. I don't know, but you can squish them down flat with your fingers if you wanted to. But yeah, I think these will also be fun to use. I hope, and I'm going to try it and see if they work in my shakers. So that I got at Dollar Tree. And that was called Tube Confetti, okay? So hopefully that'll work. For $1.25, I figured I could try it out, right? And if they work, that would be awesome. The only thing I'm worried about is them sticking like in one spot and not moving around, okay? Because they're kind of like the kind of thing that, you know, maybe gets electricity in it and attaches itself to plastic. But it dumped out of that bag real easily, so it should work, right? They float around in this bag easy enough, right? So it should work. Okay, though. So in the Christmas decorating, you know, aisle, in the Christmas things at Dollar Tree, they had these. So I kind of want to show you these up close. So let me this one's called they're both called ornament fillers, and this one has the red and greens, and this one has the blue and silver and white. And so I just want to take this label off so I can show you the little bags here. A little bit more easy. So I figured I could use this top one with the little, probably like little stickers here, the little glittery sticker leaves probably. And I could use those in making tags or decorating something like that, a card or whatever. And there's some little gems, and I don't know if they are stickers or I have to glue them down, but these do have a white back on them, so I have a feeling the leaves are stickers. And then here's what I really wanted was these. So, like I said, they're called ornament filler, and they move around in the bag just fine. So I think they would be good for shaker cards. So lots of Christmassy colors there, red and green, and they're white on the back. So these are red on both sides, and this one is. Is there some white ones in there, or are they white on the back? Hold on. Okay, there's some white ones in there, I believe. Okay. That makes it easier if they're the same color on both sides. Then if you get it into the shaker, say you're trying to, like that's the thing about the diamond painting beads. They're white on one side, most of them, and colored on the top. So I'm going to want to get the color probably on the top, so I'm going to have to be more careful when I put those into a shaker. These type of things that have the same color on both sides, you can kind of just dump into your shaker and you're good to go, right? So that one with the red, green, and white. And then these I thought were really gorgeous. There's a little green confetti there, escapee. So let's open this one up real quick. Yeah, so this last little few things here I got at Dollar Tree, and so I'm going to do a video on making shaker cards and things like that, so I think that'll be fun. I haven't done it in a while. So these are little blue and silver snowflakes, and these also look like stickers, and they're soft, like foamy type, but they're glittery, and two different blues and a silver there. So I think you can probably see that. And then these are the other two little, what are they called? Ornament fillers. So this is the white. These just look so pretty, and they kind of, you know, pick up the light and really sparkle. Don't those look pretty? I think those look pretty in something. And these two colors, especially, I could use any time of year. So these are silver. And is there two colors in there? It's just they're picking up the light. It's kind of look like they're different colors, but I think it's just the light. Let me spread them out and show you. Very pretty. The silver ones, aren't they pretty and sparkly? And the white ones again. So yeah, stay tuned to my channel. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a video on shaker cards, simple and easy ones. If you just want to make some simple, fun, and easy ones, and to repurpose some other things along with that. That's what I'm going to do first, to repurpose some things. And you'll see that I don't want to say what it is right now because I want you to, stay tuned for my video. So thank you for watching today. Make sure to check out the other participants if you just want to search the hashtag Thrifty Thursday, or go look at my Google list, and all the links are clickable. And so, yeah, just stay tuned, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time in my next video. Have a great day and happy crafting.